Prime Minister Narendra Modi condoles loss of lives in the tragic Jaipur fire incident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also announced ex gratia for victims of Jaipur fire. Rupees 2 lakh ex gratia has been announced to be given to next of kin of deceased. Remember, at least 8 persons were killed in a massive fire that broke out following a truck collision outside a petrol pump in Rajasthan's Jaipur this morning. The incident took place around 5:30 a.m. on Ajmer Road when a CNG tanker parked near the petrol pump caught fire after a truck collided with other vehicles. According to officials, several more people are feared dead, while 35 others have been injured. Several victims are in critical condition. As per these officials, the figure is likely to rise. The explosion was so intense that several vehicles within a range of 300-meter radius were engulfed and completely burned. The pictures are on your screens. The aftermath of this incident is now there is a traffic diversion from Jaipur side, and at least a 10-kilometer stretch of the Jaipur highway is shut after this incident. The Jaipur-Ajmer highway is choked. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma met victims in the hospital. In fact, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also called up Rajasthan CM to sort details and to know the health status of the injured. This has impacted many lives. The Jaipur-Ajmer highway is choked. There is at least a 2-hour jam that is expected on this highway after this tragic incident that took place. The impact of the incident can be seen in the visuals on your screens. The tragic incident has claimed 8 lives so far, while at least 35 others are injured in this incident. My colleague Harsha also reported from the ground where this tragic incident took place. Take a look at the report.
A catastrophic accident here at Bhakrota on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway on the wee hours of the morning when a tanker that was taking a U-turn at that red light, which you can see behind me, when the tanker was taking a U-turn at that red light, it collided with an oncoming vehicle from the other side. This led to gas leaking, and as you know, that kind of a gas spreads very fast. So the gas spread very fast in this area. Eyewitnesses have told us how cars actually stalled. The drivers could not start their cars because of the impact of the gas. There were buses here as well with passengers inside the buses. In one case, the bus got jammed. Eyewitnesses have told us how they had to break the windows to get the people out. A lot of people with severe burn injuries were rushed from here towards hospitals. A lot of people actually ran to save their lives. Some of them had a narrow escape. Others have not been as fortunate. Now, this entire stretch from Jaipur to about Mahapura, which is a stretch of about 12 to 15 kilometers, is completely closed to traffic as of now. There are major diversions on the route between Jaipur and Ajmer on the national highway. So traffic coming in from Delhi will be diverted and stopped at what is called 14 number Pulia. That is from Sikar Road entering Jaipur. They are going to be diverted. Traffic which is coming from Ajmer will be stopped at Bagru and they will be diverted via Mohana. The police give an estimate that this will take some time to clear. Till then, these traffic diversions will be in place. There is a jam, as I said, on the Jaipur-Ajmer highway, and especially there is a jam just coming out of Jaipur. So traffic diversions, people not advised to come on this route and to take the alternate routes if they want to move out of Jaipur towards Ajmer or from Ajmer towards Jaipur. In Jaipur with camera person Sushil Kumar, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.
हम आए थे ना, यहाँ 5:30 बजे हम आ गए थे. ये इधर कंटेनर है ना, इसमें सबसे पहले इसमें गैस लीक हुई थी, और फिर एक यहाँ स्लीपर बस है, उसमें से 40-45 आदमी थे. हमने उनमें से 5-7 आदमी तो डेथ हो गए मैडम ऑन स्पॉट ही. बाकी
स्लीपर बस में आग लग गई.
स्लीपर बस में आग लग गई. वो रही स्लीपर बस, वो स्लीपर
जी 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 दिखा सकते जी
मैडम.
ये
स्लीपर बस है. यहाँ एक दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल की मैडम पढ़ाने आती थी, उनकी गाड़ी भी ऑन स्पॉट, वो भी मैडम भी ख़त्म हो गई बिल्कुल. साथ के साथ ही ये मेन कंटेनर है जिसमें आग लगी थी मैडम. और इस ट्रक की वजह से उसका जो स्लीपर का गेट था ना, वो इसके आड़ में आ गया, तो वो खुल नहीं पाया, तो खिड़कियाँ तोड़ के हमने उनको निकाला था. उस टाइम आग भी लग रही थी, हमारे भी बहुत सी चोटें आई. और ये 108 कर्मी है एम्बुलेंस वाले, इन्होंने बहुत सारा ये टाइम पे आने की वजह से बहुत सारों की जान बच गई.
बहुत हमारी 5:30 कॉल आया, हम तुरंत वहाँ से गाड़ी लेके आए कालवाड़ लोकेशन से. हमें तो हमने बहुत ही अफरा-तफरी मच रही थी, पब्लिक इधर उधर भाग रही थी, आगों से अंदर बस में से काटे पेशेंटों को, तो बहुत हालत गंभीर थी उनकी।
और क्या माहौल था? मैंने सुना है लोग चिल्ला रहे थे,
बहुत
डर रहे थे।
ही खतरनाक था, पब्लिक बहुत ही घबरा रही थी।
मैडम सीएम साहब भी यहाँ मौजूद थे, इनकी पीठ थपथपाई
तो पब्लिक ने अफरा-तफरी मचने से बहुत ही हादसा गंभीर हुआ था कि कोई किधर भाग रहे थे, कोई जले हुए थे।
एक हरियाणा रोडवेज थी, उसमें तो लाइव ही थे, सभी चिल्ला रहे थे सर बचाओ बचाओ। हमने पत्थर से गेट तोड़ा, फिर उनको निकाल के बाहर भेजे, वो सब सेफ है मैम। इसमें तो एक की भी डेथ नहीं हुई हरियाणा रोडवेज में।